Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Have you ever wanted to have a sandbox on your table in the house? Something I've always wanted, and I'm glad I'm going to be able to share this with some of my nephews. My children are grown, but thank goodness they have something like this out there. This is the Kinetic sand construction site. I did buy some extra sand just to make it a lot fuller looking, but I mean, look at all the great stuff that you can build with this. I also bought a 42 piece small sand block making kit. It's got 42 different pieces. You got some different knives and accessories to help shape and mold everything for you. But I mean, come here, take a look at all this stuff that's in here. So you got like your construction site. It comes with your dump truck. They can actually build sand blocks in the back of this thing. So you can build like a whole bunch of different molds, and you can build blocks in seconds, and you can stack them. So you got that going on. Then you have your crane and wrecking ball, and then you got your scoop that you can put on here as a alternate attachment, and then you can make things like the like the Taj Mahal, sand castle, Inca pyramid. I mean, it's like endless what you can do. And then with all these blocks, you can build up like big sections up here. I mean, I'm talking hours of fun, not just only for the kids, but for you too. And then you got your wrecking ball that you can like hit and knock all the stuff over with. I mean, it's great. And the best thing about it is that you take some of these pieces out, you put the sand all back in, your crane comes down, this piece comes out, you take the center piece out, and this all folds away into a handy carrying case that you can take anywhere with you. So it just doesn't limit you to one activity at a time. You can do multiple things with this all the time, anytime. Cleanup is a breeze, and then once you get ready and set it up again, you're good to go. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching. Be safe out there.